Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this electric lunchbox. When you first open it up, we've got the whole container together, along with some instructions. Cleaning and maintenance, safety precautions, product features, and a message from the company. Once we open up this, you'll see the lunchbox itself. We've got a handle on top, all the clips on the side, and then in here we've got our stainless steel spoon and fork. They just fit right back in there. Doesn't matter which order. Then you can just tighten that shut. Open up the sides. You've got the bag, the travel bag. Very nice. That will fit the container itself, this container. In this food container, you've got the plugs. One for a vehicle and one for a wall outlet. This can easily be resealed and it'll fit right back into the container. So the metal inside actually removes. And if we take this out of the plastic, it's just some styrofoam in there. Here's the container itself. There's the power button, and then it'll fit all right back together. If I leave the plugs out, I can just reseal and place this right in the lunchbox bag itself and have it to go. Can't wait to go use this. Thanks for watching. You can easily just put this in, and then once you have this all set up, it will plug into your wall. Once I plug this into the wall, the light will turn on, and if I open up, container is already starting to heat up, which is awesome. It is very fast.